Everybody's always talking about headlight restoration. Well, today in this episode, we're going to do taillight restoration on Mr. Frankie here. See if we can't get these bad boys looking better. Stay tuned. Starting to rain. I don't know if you can see the rainage. There was a car show I was going to go to today in the 8-9 until I looked at the forecast yesterday, and then I negated that decision because of this. I'm going to be working on the taillights today on Frankie, trying to get them looking more presentable. In this video, you're going to see me bouncing back and forth between the passenger and driver's taillight. Basically what I did was use the best footage I had from each side to create the video. So I just wanted to let you know that's what happened. That's why the video is the way it is. I didn't think you'd want to watch me do each taillight individually. Right? Wrong? Correct? Yeah, probably. I actually have the passenger side in the house torn apart. I did a little video on it last night. So I'm taking this taillight and trying to refurb it. So far this is all the crap I've removed that shouldn't have even been there. None of this should have been there. Black RTV, blue RTV, couple sheetrock screws. We got a bunch of these clips missing. It literally was held together with 2 sheetrock screws. These LX taillights have 6 clips to hold them together. It only had 3 left. That light makes my face look red. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some ribbon sealer from O'Reilly. So this is where I got them to last night. I got them as clean as I possibly could. This is not, I guess maybe it could be slightly dirty, but a lot of that is just worn off. This here is where our ribbon sealer, the 3M ribbon sealer, will go. It's really been hard to get all that out. I'm going to be sticking somewhat right here today to stay out of that mess. I'm hoping to have some breaks throughout so I can get these out in the driveway or something and paint. I'm going to repaint these. I have some aluminum colored paint and I think that will go very well. I've always thought these taillights were smoked, but I think it's just they're dingy inside. And after I'm done, I'll go over these and polish them up as good as I can, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time because we got a crack here. Let's see what else. What else did I have? I had to repair. So I know that's as good as I can get it. I'd had to run some super glue down. It kind of turned it white right there. But luckily, you can't really see it on this side. This piece here, as you can see right here, that is where they put the sheetrock screw through the side. And rather than the sheetrock screw going in it, it just busted that piece right off of there. So I had to glue that corner back on. And then I don't know what was used for glue here. It appeared to be, whatever it was, it looked like that expanding foam. And then there's also a hole right there that a sheetrock screw held it in right here. So I'll be masking this off as good as I can and painting it silver. When I put the sealer back down, it's going to cover that hole. But anyway, let's see how we can make her look. Alright guys, there they are, all painted up. Well, this video's taken a lot longer than I had anticipated due to lack of having some clips for the taillights. I believe I started working on these, refurbishing them 2 weeks ago. Finally got all my ducks in a row. The clips came 2 nights ago, but I just didn't have the time to get on it, so this is what these clips look like. Basically, when you push the headlight on, this is supposed to dig into the plastic and not let it come back this way. So we are missing one there, and one there. Don't know if I covered that earlier in the video. It's been 2 weeks. So just be sure you get these aimed the right way. And all you got to do is push these straight on, but I don't know that I can do that. There we go. Okay, we're set, ready to go. So now we need to run our ribbon sealer around this and press the lens back in there. But this is what I'm using: 3/8 round bead ribbon sealer by the 3M. Alright guys, ribbon sealer is all the way around. So now I'm gonna go get my heat gun. We're gonna press this lens right on here. Alright, we got her back in to where we just need the heat to put her back together. Guys, I just want to point out again that super glue, blue RTV, spray foam insulation, sheetrock screws, that's not the way you put these things back together. That's just not the way you do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat up this. It is, I don't know, probably only about 50 degrees out right now. And we need to get this thing crunched so we can make contact with those clips, get it all the way pushed in. And I will be back in just a moment after I do that. Okay guys, here it is. It's all sealed up all the way down. We are making contact with the clips. Now it's time to clean this thing up. Now I believe I'm gonna go ahead and wax on, wax off on this and just see if the headlight restorer will do anything on these. I hope it does. That'd be nice. It's got some pretty deep scratches in it, so we'll see. And literally I went over that twice. Pretty dang good. Alright, I'll finish up. I can see clear. This is pretty danged impressive for what these look like. I'm gonna try something right here. I'm gonna try to heat this up though with a heat gun and see if I can do some damage that way. Try and eliminate that. That's a pretty deep scratch, but I don't know, it's worth a shot. So it warped on me. So we still got this scratch right here, but I'll tell you what, man. Yeah, you see the warp? It's going down right there. Yeah, it's fine. It's Frankie. Got her all the way back together. There it is. It looks superb. I'm very happy with it. Final product right there. Looks fantastic. Thank you muchly to the Chemical Guys product. I mean, I can't even explain how good this turned out. That stuff's done me good a couple of times now. There's much more to come, guys. Both of these cars have a lot I still need to do before winter. Frankie's got a big hole in the side of him, and it's all got to be done in about 3-4 weeks because the snow is a-coming. Wish me luck, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do it right now because I got a whole bunch of stuff coming. I don't have the time to put the videos together and complete these projects before winter, so there will be probably some more delay between videos for a little bit, and I apologize. Hang in there though. Follow me on Instagram. You'll probably find pictures of what I'm doing a lot sooner than when I post on YouTube. I posted pictures of these taillights probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, but I'm just barely getting the video today because I wanted to get you guys some content, so I'm doing it right now instead of doing what I probably need to be doing before winter. Yeah. Peace. Thanks again. You guys are the best. Whoa, 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 whoa. What have we got here? What? Frankie is in Frankie. Mind blown.